wrapped up things by now, here's your chance. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia, and I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. By now, or even before this time, most businesses have already wrapped up 2022 and they're done with it, and now they're focused on getting things in place, planning things for 2023. And if you're like me, or like most people who are just starting their business, or most people who are just starting things off at the end of the year, it's kind of challenging to be even thinking that far ahead. Unfortunately, that's really what you have to do. If you're like me and you're just starting off your business, chances are you are probably Johnny come lately. You are maybe a couple of steps behind or 3 steps behind. And, here's December, and December is almost done. 2022 has been a most interesting and most challenging year for a lot of people. And hopefully 2023 will have better things in store for us. Starting a new business close to the end of the calendar year is a little bit challenging. And, you always feel like you're 2 steps behind. And because you're just starting, not everything is clear cut, not everything is laid out, not everything is like precise, and everything is planned and orderly and ready to go. Especially if you are new to being an entrepreneur, or new to just starting your own thing, or being self-sufficient, or at least beginning to be self-sufficient. For me, I have learned a lot in the past 2 years, but mostly this year. And I have to tell you, one of the things that I'm challenged with is being organized. I'm organized in certain areas of my life, but in other areas, it's just like, oh my goodness, what happened? One of the things that I'm taking with me into the new calendar year is being better organized, having a clear vision, and setting achievable goals. One of the things that I'm definitely going to be focusing on is to prioritize my health, my family's health, my finances, my business, and my vision. Some things you can focus on in 2023 is what you would like to see happen. What business changes would you like to address? What financial goals would you like to set? What personal goals would you like to set? What physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual goals would you like to set for 2023? With everything that's taken place in 2022, do you think that you might need a reset? Do you think that you might really need to scrap everything and reset all the things that you've set before and just start over again? Sometimes that's what is needed. Sometimes it's important to just realize that maybe some things are not working for you, or maybe some things just aren't meant to be the way that you expect them to be, or you want them to be. And so therefore you need to just scrap the whole thing, get a blank sheet, and start over again. And that's okay. It's okay to start things over. That's the good thing about being alive and being able to do and being able to breathe and being able to move around, that you have the opportunity each day that you wake up to start it over again, and to understand that whatever you did from before, it's good to think about it for a short period of time. However, you cannot go back and undo or change anything. So it's all right to let it go and forgive yourself and move forward. Why are we talking about forgiving yourself? Yes, it's okay to talk about that, simply because a lot of people have made a lot of mistakes, myself included. Everybody makes mistakes, and it's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn, especially if you learn from your mistakes. And it's okay to understand that sometimes that's part of the process of what you have to go through in order to grow, to elevate, to increase your awareness, your consciousness, etc. Do you think you might need a reset in the new year? Be sure to look for my next video where I share with you how to reset your life as a spiritual entrepreneur. For now, from my family to your family, have an awesome closing of 2022 and a brilliant opening of 2023. Make sure you download your demo kit in the description box below to help you to start off the new year with a bang. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And remember to hit that bell for my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.